Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee. Embrace the ixamBee learning experience for 50% faster job preparation. The good news is that NIACL's prelim result is now out, and so you can now focus with undivided attention for your mains exam. So we will look at how you can prepare for your mains in these remaining 29 days. So on the prelims result, we can see that there have been total 786 selections for 50 vacancies. So this year for legal, there were 50 vacancies that have come out, and phase 1 has been cleared by 786 students. So almost 16 times the vacancies we can see the students have been able to clear. Now your exam is for the mains on, or the phase 2 is on the 29th, which leaves you with 20 days to work on your mains exam in case you have still not started. Your mains exam pattern will be similar to some extent to your prelims. The difference will be that you will also have a specialist paper. So you'll have 40 questions of 1 mark each from your reasoning, English, general awareness, quant, and your legal stream, right? There will be sectional cutoffs. There are sectional timings that you have to adhere to. In addition, you will also give a descriptive test for your English language for 30 marks, which will be qualifying in nature only. This marks will not be added for your main selection, and it will consist of a letter of 10 marks and an essay of 20 marks, right? So this is very, very important that you also qualify this particular paper. Now how you can prepare and what you can focus on, if we see the past trend, the overall cutoff for phase 2 has been around 86 to 87 marks. This is out of 200, with sectional cutoffs of reasoning being very high in 2023, English being another high subject, 22, general awareness was not very high at 4, quant again was not very high at 3.25, professional knowledge cutoff was not very high at 5.5, but of course you need to pull up your total marks with the help of either your professional knowledge or a combination of any of the other subjects. So how you need to spread out is, because you have been studying the other subjects for prelims also and your phase 1 also, focus a lot on practice a little moderate level questions for your mains level. There could be few difficult also, but a majority part of it will be moderate questions. So practice moderate questions every day. Don't leave any day from today. Practice a lot of mock test. In the ixamBee course also you get sufficient mock test, not just for your objective paper but also for your descriptive English paper. On the legal specifically, if I state to repeat what has been the pattern, which is a good indication, your criminal laws and your civil law, right? Your criminal and civil laws followed by constitution together are your must-do acts, which you should continue to focus on, because they cover a good number of 12 to 13 questions out of the 40 questions itself. This should be followed by your Contract Act and your Companies and IBC Act. Apart from this, focus on your transfer of property limitation, which is kind of combined with your CPC, and a lot of importance we are seeing being increased given to RTI and your consumer protection. So these are other few acts that you should focus on. In addition, how much you should focus on insurance based exams? Yes, Insurance Act, IRDA, and your Motor Vehicles General Insurance Act will also be important over here to get an understanding of what we saw happen just a month back in NICL exam that also was conducted on the 31st of August this year itself. Based on this, you can prioritize your preparation for Constitution, BNS, BSA, Companies Act, BNS, CPC limitation, transfer of property, and the Contracts Act. And in the insurance, cover your Insurance Act, IRDA, General Insurance, and your Motor Vehicles Act. Some other topics that you can look at is registration, arbitration, Consumer protection and RTI I told you, and the other acts will depend on your preparation level. You can also look at the actual questions that have come this year in NICL exam, which is a very, very good indication of how you can prepare. You can download that plus the study plan for mains from the description of this particular video. So utilize your 20 days very well so that you make your name in the final list. We will see you at the interview stage. Wishing you all the best.